The first thing to do here is to ensure that all bases are expressed in terms of their prime factors. Thus, 54 is expressed as 2 times 3 cubed. 18 is expressed as 2 times 3 squared. And 6 is expressed as 2 times 3. Now that all the bases are expressed in terms of their prime factors, we can apply exponent laws. Whenever raising a power to another power, we multiply the exponents. So, 2 times 3 cubed, all to the x, equals 2 to the x, times 3 to the 3x. 2 times 3 squared, all to the x minus 1, equals 2 to the x minus 1, times 3 to the 2x, minus 2. 3 to the x minus 1, all squared, equals 3 to the 2x, minus 2. And 2 times 3, all to the x, equals 2 to the x, times 3 to the x. The next thing to do is to break up exponents so that each term is expressed in terms of single exponents. 2 to the x and 3 to the 3x are already single exponents, so we start by breaking up 2 to the x minus 1 into 2 to the x times 2 to the minus 1. Similarly, 3 to the 2x minus 2 is written as 3 to the 2x times 3 to the minus 2. 3 to the x plus 1 is written as 3 to the x times 3 to the 1. 3 to the 2x minus 2 is written as 3 to the 2x times 3 to the minus 2. And 2 to the x and 3 to the x are already single exponents, so we leave them as they are. We can tidy this up a bit by applying the first law of exponents, which states that when multiplying equal bases, we add the exponents. So, we have 2 to the x times 3 to the 3x minus 2 to the x times 2 to the minus 1 times 3 to the 3x times 3 to the minus 1. All over 3 to the 3x times 3 to the minus 2 times 2 to the x. Since we have a minus sign separating terms in the numerator, we will need to take out a common factor before simplifying further. So, we can take out a common factor of 2 to the x at the top, as well as a common factor of 3 to the 3x. We can now cancel the 2 to the x and 3 to the 3x terms. So we are left with 1 minus 2 to the minus 1 times 3 to the minus 1, all over 3 to the minus 2. And that equals 1 minus a half times a third, all over 1/9. Simplifying that, we get 1 minus 1/6, all over 1/9, which equals 5/6 over 1/9. We then depend times to get 5/6 times 9 over 1. And that simplifies to 45 over 6, which equals 15 over 2.